right, so now we got our marketing going, right? We got our marketing going. It's like, okay, well, and then we start calling and talking to owners, and we start getting some people that want to sell, and now we have to put this thing under contract, right? So that falls under acquisitions. Under acquisitions includes, now you have to, first of all, fill out, like, get all the details that you need about the deal so you can analyze it. So you need to do deal analysis. Okay, so what that means under deal analysis is that you need to be asking these questions, typical questions. I'll give you just some of the questions that you have to ask. What are the total units? What's the total square footage? What's the unit mix? Is there any extra land? What's your annual income? What's your expenses? Actually, the truth is you really don't need to know their expenses. You really need to know what your expenses are. But some people feel that you need to know what their expenses are. You need to know, like, what the taxes are going to be. What do they pay in taxes? And then what are you going to be paying in taxes once you close on the deal? Because that deal may be valued differently, right? So they may be paying taxes on $200,000 and you're buying it for $400,000. So now it's going to get reevaluated and you're going to be paying taxes on $400,000, right? That's how it works. Okay, so so there's a whole bunch of different questions that you need to be asking. Taxes, income, square footage, vacancy. I was going to put that down. Vacancy. Are they full? Are they not full? Right? There's a difference between economic occupancy and physical occupancy, right? Physical occupancy means like, yeah, I'm 100% full. I'm full. Okay, great. Well, I mean, we're 100% full in all our facilities, but how many people are actually paying? The paying occupancy is the economic occupancy. Okay, so we're 100% full, but we're only 89%, economic occupancy, something like that. Okay. All right, and then also you need to be able to put this thing under contract, right? So that means that you need a contract. You need some sort of a contract that you can use to make offers, to put offers in, or you need some sort of an LOI, right? Sometimes people do LOIs, some people do contracts. I've always ever just done contracts, Now, when you get into like huge big deals, right? Like they'll want an LOI. We're buying it's a $1 million facility, and the guy's like, we just put an offer in our contract, and the owner's like, where's the LOI? And I'm like, I don't do LOIs. I just put the contract in. Let's just sign the contract, and he was like, where's the LOI? But I just told him we just do contracts is what we do. Let's see what else. So you need to put this under contract, and you need to learn how to fill the contract out properly. So within the contract, what you need to do is you have to learn how to negotiate the terms. So within acquisitions, one of the most important things that you can learn is how to negotiate the contract. And negotiation, right, is really what's going to make or break the deal, right? And from negotiation, it's really all about authenticity and vulnerability, right? Especially in the smaller deals. And when you get into like huge big deals, or like not even 3 million, but I would say like maybe 5 million plus, it's a little bit different because it's a little different type of deal. But I mean, 3 million, like we just closed on a $3 million deal, and I mean, the owners were just like me and you, and they just were regular people that wanted to be heard and they wanted to know that you were going to be taking over their baby and like taking care of it, right? So negotiation for me is all about connection, authenticity, vulnerability, and just really kind of listening and communicating in the right ways. I'm really, really excited about there's a guy named Jamie Miller, and what he does is he teaches the art of negotiation, and he is going to be coming to the Storage Nerds coaching program on January 18th. I'm so excited. So for everybody who listens to this a little bit later, they're going to have missed it. But like anybody that's a student of Storage Nerds, on January 18th, Jamie's coming, and that's all he's teaching is the art of negotiation for investors. And he focuses on investors and how to help you to talk to owners, talk to owners better, negotiate your contract terms, and really just kind of just learn how to really be better at like connecting with people. So I'm really, really excited about that. And so that's coming up. We have such amazing like guest speakers coming up. I'm so excited.